We've got some breaking news. I need to come to you immediately and talk to you about this. We are 16 days into a government shutdown in the United States, and I just read something that blew my mind and scared me a little bit. So I wanted to share it with you. What it said was that they surveyed a certain amount of Americans, and only 9% of those Americans actually knew a good deal about the government shutdown. How much do you know about it? Have you heard about it before? Is this the first time you're here learning about it? Day 16, the entire US government shut down. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to write this down and I want you to do some research so you understand it yourself. Like information is power. Beyonce says, ladies, let's get information and information. Okay. So that's the first thing I want. The second thing I want to talk to you about is how this could affect your business and maybe already doing so and you don't even realize why. And then the third thing I'm going to tell you is how we can solve that, what you can do to prepare right now, today, so that as this drags on and as the things that we can't control rage on, we have some control over our lives. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to learn, if you're with me. I don't want to scare you. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm actually trying to give you, I want to empower you with information and with support. Okay? Let me know in the comments if you're here. Say, I'm ready in the comments if you're ready to do this. You're going to know more than a lot of people around you by the end of this video. So I ask you to do me a favor and tell people what you learn. Just tell more people. If you know one person, a good friend of yours, a family member, let them know what is going on. So I'm not going to get into some political debate. I'm very open about my politics and my beliefs, and I'm happy to talk about that in another video. But what I'm going to talk to you about is just the fact that the government is shut down. They could not come to an agreement on some different things, and it's just shut down. That's the basic way of saying it, okay? So it's been shut down since October 1st. It's now October 16th, 2025 as I'm recording this. And there is no end in sight. There's not a lot. I mean, hopefully it ends today, tomorrow, and I'm wrong. But right now, they're bickering too much. They're not able to agree on things, and there's no end in sight. So we don't know how long this will last. And it means that different, there's so many things that it affects. But when it comes to businesses, it affects SBA loans, like Small Business Administration loans. It affects federal contracts. So a lot of people are not in federal contracts, but some of you are. I know I talk to thousands of entrepreneurs every single week. I know that some of you are. And then think about your taxes as a business. IRS helplines, they're closed. They're gone. They're going to come back when we come back in, hopefully soon, but they are closed right now. So you may be struggling to get people to help you with your tax information. Things are slow, delayed. You've probably, if you've been to an airport anytime recently, you've seen that the delays there. And here's something that's going to hit close to home. So consumer confidence is down, it's low, meaning people who buy from you normally or would buy from you if you're just starting out are going to have a different vibe than they've had in the recent past because they're scared. If they do know about it, they're scared. Now, 9% didn't know, only knew a lot, right? 9%, but there are another percentage that know a little about this shutdown. And if they're only hearing the headlines, if they're not doing a lot of research, they're going to think, I can't spend because I need to hold on in case everything blows up. I have to keep my cash reserves, right? So there's less cash circulating, fewer clients are spending, and more small businesses are now being squeezed. So you're going to feel it as a solopreneur and with a small team, if you have one, you're going to feel it first. Like you're feeling this toughness right now. And, shout out to all of the entrepreneurs in this country. If you're watching from a different country, the US obviously affects a lot of groups one way or another. But you are going to be affected because you probably don't have a big safety net and you don't have a paycheck check cushion. Now, if you have a paycheck, and you don't have a small business, I'm going to tell you too why you need to get one because this is all about diversifying your income streams. And I don't mean to have seven income streams. I even own the domain sevenincomestreams.com, I think. I think I bought that a couple of years ago, but I'm not telling you to get seven income streams. I'm telling you to have more than one. Have two or three income streams. And that can be your 9 to 5 job, it can be your main offer, and maybe something passive as well. So you may have noticed that some of your clients have booked with you maybe a month ago, and then they come back and they're like, actually, I can't afford it, or I'm just gonna keep things close, right? You've seen that. You're like, whoa, we made an agreement. Now people are pulling back. And if you have local customers, they're pulling back too. People are not getting reimbursed for trips right now at their jobs. Not, this is not everybody, right? So not everybody is freaking out. Not everybody is affected by this, but this is the type of thing that's happening to some of your customers. So let me tell you something right now. If you have a 9 to 5 or your small business is based on trading your time for money, and then all of this suddenly stops, you have no backup engine. So we need to have that. I need you to hear my wake up call. Okay. So this is not about politics, it's about having control of your destiny. You can't control necessarily what Congress does every, day to day. You can have some control over that, but you can control what kind of income and revenue you have. So we saw this a few years ago. We see this kind of almost every 2 years, that the people who thrive during uncertain times are the ones who built things that pay them even when they're not actively working. Think about some of the people who blew up between 2020 and 2022 and are multimillionaires right now. I even predicted this. I predicted this at the beginning of the year. I said this. I'm going to try to find a clip of it and share it somewhere. I'll share it in my memberships. But I predicted this. Now, speaking of my memberships, go to the description below. In the description of this video and in the pinned comment, I have some resources for you. Okay. I'm going to continue to tell you what your solutions are, but I have resources so you don't have to do this by yourself. You could do this with me and with the group of people. I have 2,500 members across 2 memberships, and we're all working together and we give each other so much support. If you're in one of my memberships, your first 5K or Arlen's All Access, leave a comment and let other people know how great it is in there. Like really let people know, because honestly, this is what we need right now. So what I want you to do is to shift from 100% active income, where you have to work in exchange for money, to a hybrid income strategy. Okay. So I'm going to give you some examples of passive or semi-passive streams of income. I want you to write this down. Digital products like selling PDFs that you make one time and then you sell forever, toolkits, mini courses that you record. And if you say, oh, I can't record a course, yes, you can, if it means bringing in a few extra $1,000s per year to give you a cushion. Okay. So these digital products that you can sell. I teach about this on my channel. If you go to my videos, and especially if you go to the links in my description, I teach you step by step how to do each of these things, every single one of them. And there's even my Your First 5K just costs $50 to join. So it's very accessible. And somebody left a comment that I post. I think they left it yesterday, but I took it live today, where they said, I have not even had the $50 to join your first 5K or join any of your memberships, but I've just been looking at your videos and I've made $1,000 per month by implementing what you teach. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Now, hopefully they join your first 5K, because obviously if I help them make 1,000 for free, what could I do for 50? It's called your first 5,000 for some reason. Another passive income stream are memberships, speaking of, and community access. You can also have affiliate income, like all of these things that I'm telling you, I have. Affiliate income. I've made $43,000 since August of 2024 just by being a school affiliate, just by putting my link in places and talking about it. That's a whole salary, y'all. It's a whole salary. So you can do that. I teach you how to do that inside of my memberships and my free YouTube channel. You can sell templates, assets, or you can license. I just opened this up. I'm licensing my prompt shop. So again, if you go to the link in the description, you can pay just a little bit of money and you get access to resell my prompts that I've sold thousands of. And you can do that yourself. And it's just like a copy paste type of thing, super simple. It's so cool. So there's ways you can do this. And then you can make money on YouTube. Type in my name, Arlan, and YouTube into YouTube search and watch my YouTube videos, my free YouTube videos. Watch them. There's all sorts of things, and I'm not going to get into like drop shipping or all this other stuff. I don't know about all that stuff. All I know about, I mean, I did that when I was in my early 20s. I tried drop shipping. It was fun. But all I know is what I'm telling you, right? And then I teach you in depth and you have that group community. So I want to see you in there. I think it's going to change and help you in a major, major way. Look at the comments after a while, after this has been up for a while. You'll see. So this is what you do. How do you start? I want you to do these 5 steps, okay? You ready? Let me know in the comments if this is helping you to think through and if it's hopefully it's calming you down rather than making you more scared. Step one, I want you to audit what you already know. What are your skills? What do you own? What IP, intellectual property do you have? What content do you already have or could you create? Step two, I want you to choose one simple offer that you can launch within 30 days and even sooner. Don't want you to overthink it. Step three is I want you to ask people, post a pre-sale and test it. Put it out into the world. Stop getting in your own way by constantly thinking about that thing you're going to do one day. I know we're busy. Everybody is busy. I have 20 different projects that are going at once. I listed them all last night. We're all busy, but this is important. I need you to understand that you need to launch, you need to test, try, get better at things. Have people say no so that you can understand what the yes looks like. Okay? Then I want you to use AI automations to help you deliver some of these things. Don't overbuild. Like I said with my prompt shop license, it's just AI and it's just fast. It's not like you have to build a whole like Mary Kay system, like that's older, but you may not know what that is. But there's not like you have to build an entire new business. It's like the easiest it's been in our history to start a small business and an income stream. And the step five, I want you to refine this process, repeat it, and stack your income streams over time. So get really good at the next one. Wait there, get better, 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 better. Make some money, make 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, and then you can add another one. Does that make sense? You're not going to get rich overnight. No, and I can't guarantee you that you're going to make any money doing any of this, but I can tell you that I have the resources for you. You have these free resources here on YouTube, not just with my content, but with YouTube University. Just type in any word or phrase, spend a couple of hours learning something, and you could be selling that skill in no time, the same day. I tell you exactly how to get your offer, how to price it, where to sell it, how to find customers, how to sell once people are interested. I tell you all of that. $50 a year inside of your first 5K and all these free YouTube videos that teach it as well. The reason you might pay $50 for the year and you can get this for free on YouTube is that I put it in a very structured way inside of the membership so you can just find it. And because you have 2,000 plus people helping you, cheering you on in the same boat. People are showing their wins every single day. Oh, I got $1,000. Oh, I have 30 new members. Oh, I did this. So you can get inspiration and you can also see how they did it. Okay? So you want to be around those people. So I want you to pause this video and I want you to subscribe to this video, this channel. But I want you to write down 3 ideas for passive income that you could have. And I want you to pick one. That's the most important part of this. Pick one and commit to working on it for 30 minutes in the next 24 hours. In the comments, if you do this, write the word yes, Y-E-S, yes. You can do the exclamation point if you want to. If you're going to do that little mini challenge, okay? I promise you that action sets you apart from so many people. You'll see how many people have commented and how many people haven't. So we're not trying to do like this hustle thing. We're not trying to get everybody to, uh, uh, you know, just do this kind of cookie cutter thing. We're trying to think about what could you add to your arsenal because the government is not coming to save us. It never has and it never will, in my opinion. So we have to save ourselves. We have to save ourselves. Say save ourselves in the comments if you're hearing me, if you're going to do something about it. Let's go.